afternoon, everyone. This is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and today's video hopefully is going to be a little bit more lighthearted than some of what's been going on. I do want to address some of the objections and concerns that people have voiced or posted. Mostly it's been very positive, but there are some what some might feel are valid objections, and they probably should be addressed, and I think I'll do that in a video, but not today, maybe the next one. So today is going to be a little bit more lighthearted. I'm doing a thrift shop purchase video today. I haven't done one of those in quite a while. So first things first, as usual, found more mason jars. Just 6 pint jars, and couldn't resist. The price was too good. They're all in good shape, fairly. Some of them, most of them are Bernardin, some of them are Harvest, Golden Harvest, which is fine. And they were priced at $4 for 6, but because it was discount day and there's 30 off, I managed to pick them up for $3, just over $3, so they were 51 cents a piece, which here is not a bad deal at all. So all in all, 6 more pint jars. I was actually running out of pint jars that are regular mouth. I do have a ton of pint jars that are wide mouth, but I have more regular mouth lids, so I'm trying to use regular mouth jars for the time being. Okay. Item number 2, really cute. Let's see if I can focus back on this. Something one of my longtime posters is gonna like. It's the sweetest little lamp. It's probably the smallest one that I've got so far. This lamp cost me $5, so I could not resist. It's in good shape. It's got the wick, and everything's complete, and it's all taped down. I have yet to take it apart and wash it and put it with my other lamps or wherever it is that I'm going to keep it. But yeah, very nice little purchase for $5. I was thrilled to find it. So for the time being, I'm just going to wrap it back up until I have a chance to put it away. So yeah, this is going to be a short video. There wasn't an awful lot that I saw that I liked. But I decided that I would look at some books again to see if I could find something that I like. And I'm not really all that fussy on getting a lot of cookbooks. I do have enough of them. And I prefer all kinds of other different things. So one of them is a very interesting book of Treasury of English Poetry. I love poetry, and British poetry is fairly unique. Some of it I know, some of it I don't. Some of the poets I've heard of before, others I haven't. So nice hardcover book, and that will keep me pleasantly entertained. Now, the second book I bought is a lot more interesting in its own way. It's called A History of Political Theory, and it goes into the development of politics over the ages, ideologies, people. So I had to change my glasses so I could read this a bit. It's heavy reading. I'm not going to say this is light reading, but it is interesting. And it's things that I have looked at in the past with philosophers, and basically the development of government over the century, starting with the Greeks and the Romans, and all the way into British theorists, modern day natural law preparation, Thomas Hobbes and Locke, and a whole bunch of other, Hume and Burke, and these were great thinkers of their time. And I have read a little bit about them, and it goes into some of the different forms of government and how they were developed and what their philosophies are, and in this day and age. This is, as I said, I'm somewhat familiar with this because in the past I've kind of delved into it in the past, and I thought Mark might be a little bit more interested in this if he could ever find the time to read it. But I looked at it, and yes, it is very heavy reading, but I think that I will enjoy it as well, so I'm not sorry that I bought it. Okay, and that is my thrift shop purchases for the day. It's a little bit of a lighter video today, and a short one. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this, and we will hopefully catch you on the next one. Bye for now.